Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have a sweet and festive topic to discuss the health benefits of gingerbread cookies. Yes, you heard it right. Those delicious holiday treats might actually have some surprising nutritional perks. So, let's dive into the world of gingerbread goodness. The key ingredient in gingerbread cookies is, of course, ginger, and ginger is no ordinary spice. It's packed with health benefits. First off, ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases. Another fantastic benefit of ginger is its ability to support digestion. Ginger has been used for centuries to alleviate digestive issues. Whether you've indulged a bit too much during the holiday season or just want to support your digestion, gingerbread cookies can be a tasty solution. As we approach the colder months, many of us are concerned about staying healthy. Well, gingerbread cookies can lend a helping hand. Ginger is known to have immune-boosting properties thanks to its antioxidants. So, enjoying these cookies may actually contribute to supporting your immune system. Now, let's talk about another key ingredient, molasses. Molasses not only gives gingerbread cookies their rich flavor, but also provides some nutritional value. It contains essential minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. Iron is particularly important for maintaining healthy blood and preventing anemia. Before we get carried away with the health benefits, it's important to emphasize moderation. While gingerbread cookies can offer some nutritional perks, they are still treats. Be mindful of your overall sugar intake and enjoy them as part of a balanced diet. There you have it, folks, the surprising health benefits of gingerbread cookies. From anti-inflammatory properties to immune-boosting effects, these festive treats can be more than just a delicious indulgence. Remember to savor them in moderation, and you'll not only enjoy the taste, but also some potential health perks. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content.